Hello everyone, in this video I will show how to change font in Notion. So go to the page on which you would like to change your font, and here in the top right corner of this page find this three-dot icon. Click on it and a menu will open, and on the top of this menu you will find three options for the font families that are available in Notion. The first one, which is default, is the clean and versatile sans serif font. The second one is a more traditional serif font, which is good for longer text and formal documents. And the third option is a monospace font, which is good for code and structured data like tables. So you may click on whatever font you choose, and this font will apply for the whole page. Unfortunately, in Notion, there is no option of default font. At the moment, default meaning that whatever font you choose will apply to all the documents in your account, but you may use your page with selected font as a template for other documents. So that's it with regard to the font families. Regarding font styling, when you want to style any text, you just highlight this text and a styling bar will appear, and here you may find options for styling, like you may make your text bold, italic, underscored. You may also select color for your text, and that's it. Unfortunately, font families and styling options are pretty limited in Notion so far. The workarounds that you may use include adding any third-party browser extensions like Stylus or any other extension that allows to apply custom CSS to your page. However, it will work only locally. Another option may be using text generators with styling options, and you may just copy and paste the text into Notion. So that's it. Thanks for watching.